Hello, everyone. I'm going to show you 4 examples for section 1.4, simplifying expressions. Suppose we are simplifying x plus y over x divided by y plus x over y. I know it sounds like something really silly, but that's okay. We can simplify this. How do I approach this? First of all, I'm going to decide that the uh, LCD is x times y. So multiplying top and bottom of the fraction by xy and xy. And if I uh, multiply this through, if I distribute this, x times xy gives me x to the second y plus y over x times xy gives me y to the second over xy to the second plus x to the second. And that's as far as I can go. So this one was fairly a simple uh, example. Now, let's do another one. These examples are from your own textbook, um, although my edition might be an old one, not so sure. So let's see. How about if I have something like x to the negative 1, y to the negative 1 over x plus y to the negative 1. Okay. So the first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to rewrite this. X to the negative 1 is same as 1 over x. Y to the negative 1 is 1 over y, 1 over y, all over 1 over x plus y. And now I'm going to go ahead and multiply the top and bottom of this expression by the LCD, which is going to be xy times x plus y. So xy times x plus y. Now, and now I'm going to go ahead and distribute on the top 1 over x times xy. The x's get canceled, so I do have y x plus y times x plus y plus x times x plus y all over x times y, because x plus y cancels x plus y in the denominator. Now I'm going to simplify the top. I have y times x is x times y plus y to the second plus x to the second plus xy over x times y. And this equals to x to the second, if I put that in order, plus y to the second plus 2xy all over x, y. And this equals to, now I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this, of course. Notice that if I rewrite the top is as x to the second plus 2xy plus y to the second over xy. Now I can factor the top. I can factor the top. What's the top? The top factors to x plus y quantity squared over x, y. And that is the most simplified version of this expression. Okay, let's do one more. How about, oh, here's a good one. How about 1 over square root of x plus h minus 1 over square root of x, okay, all over h. So again, I have complex fraction. I'm going to go ahead and multiply the top and bottom of this by LCD, which is going to be square root of x plus h times root x and square root of x plus h times root x. Now, if I distribute this, I'm going to get square root of x minus square root of x plus h over h square root of x square root of x plus h. So notice that on the top, square root of x plus h got canceled, but not in the denominator. So now I'm going to go ahead and multiply the top and bottom of this fraction by its conjugate, by the conjugate of the numerator. So I'm going to multiply top and bottom by root x plus square root of x plus h, which is the conjugate of root x minus square root of x plus h, over root x plus square root of x plus h. Okay. Now I'm going to go ahead and multiply this through. Root x times root x is just x. Root x plus square root of x plus h minus square root of x plus h times root x, they cancel each other. So I'm left with minus x plus h over h root x. Oops, didn't mean to change the color. Square root of x plus h times square root of x plus square root of x plus h. Okay. And what is this equal to? Now I have x minus h on the top. On the denominator that I have, and of course this cancels this, I have h square root of x square root of x plus h times root x plus square root of x plus h. And the sequence final answer is going to be, because x is canceled, minus 1 over, okay. And notice that I can now cancel this h with this h. So minus 1 over square root of x, square root of x plus h times root x plus square root of x plus h. And that's the simplest version of this expression. Okay, we still have time. Let's do one more. Suppose I want to rationalize the denominator. So I have 1 over 2 minus root 3. And we want to rationalize the denominator. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply top and bottom of this by the conjugate of the denominator, which is going to be 2 plus square root of 3. 2 plus square root of 3. So this equals to 2 plus square root of 3 over 2 times 2 is 4. 2 times root 3 cancels 2 times minus root 3. And then I have 4 minus root 3 times root 3 is just 3. And that equals to 2 plus root 3 over 1, which is 2 plus square root of 3. Okay. Let's see, we did, is there, yeah, that's good enough for now. I'll do more videos soon. If you have any question, please let me know. Thanks.